Hello there, I'm Rachel, the franchise manager of Next Engineers, and if you're here, you're probably looking for a way to start a new business with a real meaning. Next Engineers is a groundbreaking educational network that's been around for almost a decade. We combine technology, creativity, science, and engineering in a way that every kid loves and understands. We teach kids to think, discover, and build while enjoying the process. When I joined the network, I felt it was more than just a job. It was a mission. I see how our franchisees wake up every morning with energy. I see how our kids look forward for the next lesson. And I see all the parents thanking us for what we created in the community. As a franchisee with us, you're not alone. You receive professional guidance, proven tools, organized work plans, and strong support. No technological background is necessary. We accompany you step by step from the day of the establishment to success. Franchisees tell me that this is the best decision that they have ever made. A business that is both profitable, rewarding, and simple. It fills their heart and allows them to combine their professional and personal lives. If you're looking for a way to build a profitable business with meaning, create real impact, and be a part of something big, I invite you to join us. Next Engineers, it's more than just a franchise. It's a community, it's a mission, it's the future.
Next Engineers. Learn to love learning.